Good morning. I, Lavlina Singh, the Principal of Academic Height Public School, Chimani, welcomes you for the virtual inspection of our institution. Our institution, Academic Height Public School, Chimani, is situated in Neemachal. It is a rural place. So most of the students are coming in our school are rural background. Our total campus area is approx 8,093 square meter. Out of this, 1,878 approx square meter is constructed. And we have, already health is wealth. So we have left the area for playground, that is 322 kilometers. The area is for playground. Similarly, we have left the area for our parking as well as for the garden. That is approx 1200 square meter. As you all know, when we start the school, we are having something in our mind. The same way, we are also having the vision and mission for our institution. We have started the institution with the vision that we will provide the students a peaceful, a healthy environment, a productive and effective environment to the students, which will meet the needs of our students. Needs of type like academic, social and other type of developments. In this way, we are providing our students a good education facilities in our campus. Similarly, we are here not only to teach them the books, that is main subject books, bookish language, we are providing them the platform where they can improve their talents, they can take part in extracurricular activities, they can show their talents and they can improve and they can choose their own way to live a happy life. Our mission is, we are not only teaching the students, our mission statement is we teach, inspire. As you know, sometimes people think that teaching is a profession. But according to us, teaching is a noble profession, or we can say that it is not a profession. It is actually a serving to a mankind. We are not only dealing with the students, we are just dealing with the future of our nation. If we will treat them, if we will teach them, if we will give them good manners, good moral values, definitely we are going to get the same in return. So we are providing that facilities to our students. And this year, as you know, COVID-19, because of that school cannot be open. So we are providing our students online classes as well as offline classes. We are conducting periodic tests, online tests, and we are trying to give our best to our students. In our campus, we are having many more facilities. For an example, we are having different types of labs. We are having physics lab, chemistry lab, bio lab, and computer lab. Sports facilities we are having, and lots many more. We are here to teach them music also. We are providing them good books to learn. In our library, we are having different types of story books, knowledgeable books, subject books, as well as in related to that or in addition to that, we are having Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, and these type of books also we are having. We are having Bible also, so that students will relate with each and every religion also. We want them to be a good citizen in future. For that, whatever the efforts we can, we will provide them. And in this small area, in this rural area, it is really a difficult task. But with the help of CBSE board, we are able to provide them the education in order to make them aware of their extracurricular activities or their talents. We are conducting different type of competitions. For physically fitness, we are providing them sack race, potato race, lemon race for small kids. For other students, team space, in order to increase their team spirit, we are making them to play cricket, kabaddi, badminton and other games. Similarly, for other curricular activities, we are having regular competitions. For an example, we can say that when the festivals are coming, we are conducting the Rakhi making competition, Rangoli competition, Christmas celebration competition, Ganesh Chaturthi, mask making competition. In this way, we are trying to make the students aware of their talents. Sometimes it happens the students are themselves not aware of the thing what is good for them or what is their interesting thing. But when we are asking them to take part in these activities, they are definitely taking, and this makes them to increase their interest in particular fields. They will increase their focus in which field in the future they want to go. I am really thankful to the CBSE board who has given us the application and given us the chance to educate the student of these rural areas with CBSE. We are trying our level best. We are trying to complete all norms, rules and regulations of CBSE so that we can fulfill each and every needs of CBSE as well as our students. We are gathered here to teach them, to nurture them, as well as to make them a good citizen in future. We are providing them good water facilities, sanitation. We are keeping a proper watch on our sanitation and sanitization. These facilities we are providing not supposed to go out of the home. So for this reason we are providing with them each and every facilities to their home. Online exams, this is the reason why we are conducting online exams for them, so that the student will remain at home and they can practice for their examinations. In this way we are trying our level best to do the best for the students, and once again I am really thankful for the CBSE board who has given us the chances to teach these rural area students and so that they can make their future bright. Thank you. Now let's come to our school campus. Here you can see that already instructions are given. Please use hand sanitizer before entering. We are not allowing anyone to come in the school campus without using the sanitizer. Face of the goddess Saraswati. So big portrait is there of goddess Saraswati, and below that you can see that a beautiful rangoli is there in order to welcome our guests. This is the area where the parents can come and sit and inquire about different things which they want to ask from our staff. This is our display board where we used to display different kinds of notices, sometimes photographs and other inquiries. This is our key counter. Here also you can see that wear mask. So we are not entering any of the person who is not wearing mask. So mask is compulsory in our institution. Please come. Good morning. Please come. He is Mr. Nilesh. He is our office assistant. Now he will tell about the registers which are kept over here.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our school, sir. This is our office register. They are having the TC register, or having the admin, and I am having the other files for the data of the student.
Now let's proceed to our corridor. Now let's go for the corridor. Here you can see this is the flags of our school, and this area is especially for parents sitting. If they want to ask something, when the students are used to come, the parent has to wait here for the child to take, and the parent is coming for inquiry also. They also have to use, first of all, sit over here, then they have to maintain the social distancing, and then they can go for the fee counter or the inquiry office. This is our area. This is our playground. Much better. Now let's proceed to our classrooms. Now you can see that here we are doing a fire extinguisher. This is used when some accident is happens, and God forbid, until now we are not met with any of the accident, and we are expecting for the Now let's come to our sick room. You can see that this is our sick room and we are having a sanitization facility here also. Let's come. He is Mr. Rajan Tamulkar. He takes
Hello.
care of our sick room. Now let's proceed to our computer lab. As you can see that wear face mask. Already instructions are given. Wear face mask. Safety first. So first of all we have to sanitize our hand. He is Mr. Kritik Mohale. Now he is our computer lab in charge. He will display and explain all about the computer lab.
Welcome, sir. I am Pratik Mohale, and this is our computer lab. And hardware and software that will be help to student, and we have also internet connection.
This is our playground. Let's come. Have a look of it. And you can see that yellow house is for Aryabhat and green house is for APJ Abdul Kalam. As in our school, throughout the year, lots of activities are there. Some activities are sports activities, some competitions are other extracurricular activities like essay competition, Rakhi making, and so on. These all competitions we held according to our house. And on the basis of that, the student gets the prizes and we will facilitate them in their our sports meet or sometimes in our annual function. Now he is our sports teacher. Now he will tell you about the sports playground. Let's come to our staff room. It is a place where all of our staff members come, sit, check their copies and have their talks and discuss about the different subjects. All our staff members, all of you sit down please. I know that for an education, the books is a key to success. Now we are proceeding to our library section. Let's come and have a look for our library. Good morning. She is Nidhi Sahu and now she will explain about the library and its facts.
A library, please. Library room. Library rules. Okay. Dictionaries. Hindi, English, Sanskrit, many books, health books, home health books, education books, Hindi, English, grammar. Students sit here.
We keep it here for the safety of our students. If in case some accident is happened, so we can use it properly. To our physics lab. Please come. Good morning, sir. He is Mr. Gaurav Agarwal. Now he is our lab assistant for physics and chemistry. Now you will explain the physics lab. Sir, please continue.
Welcome bench. Different types of mirror and lens are here. This is a pin. This is a pin handle. This is a convex mirror because image can be seen by this mirror. So this is a convex mirror. This is a convex lens. This is a convex lens handle. Different types of mirror. This is a concave mirror. This is a concave lens. This optical bench is used for study of image formation. This is a different types of mirror study the reflection of light. When the light is passed through this lens, then this is a concave mirror because image can't be seen in this mirror. Convex mirror because convex mirror gives always virtual erect and diminished image, so image can be seen by this mirror. This gives virtual erect and same size image. This is the tuning fork. Tuning fork are used in this apparatus. This is the sonometer, which is used for frequency and length measurement. This is some parts in this apparatus. This is the pulley. Repel each other. When south and north pole are coming together, then attract each other, because unlike poles attract each other and like poles repulse each other. Magnetic field direction. Earth also works as magnet. Earth also works as a magnet. Earth geographical north pole work as bar magnet south pole, and Earth south pole magnetic bar as a north pole. This is the practical to study the magnetic field lines. This is the bar magnet, and this is the iron flings. This is the iron flings. When iron flings are thrown into around the bar magnet from north to south poles, magnetic field lines never intersect each other. So this is the different types of plug keys. This is the 2 plug key. This is the 1 plug key. This is the commutator used in magnetic field intensity in circuit. This is the Daniell cell used in a circuit. This is the Lagrange cell. This is the bob, which is used for pendulum arrangement. This is the pendulum chart. This is the equilibrium position. When bob displays from this point to this point and this point to this point, then this is called displacement. For this experiment we can measure, also known as accumulator, because it stores the charge. This is the positive terminal of battery, this is the negative terminal of battery. This is the spring balance for measurement of bed. This is the spring balance for measurement of weight. Here we perform Newton's third law also. This is the dot schema, and when we apply force, Newton's third law said that every action has equivalent opposite reaction. Then here 2.50, also 2.50 in opposite direction. So Newton's third law is proved by this apparatus. Every action has equivalent opposite reaction. This is the Bain box, very important tool for measurement of mass. There are physical unit chart. In physics lab, some quantity are scalar and some quantities are vector. A scalar quantity contains only magnitude, and vector quantity contains magnitude and direction also. This is a level meter for measurement of surface area. This is a part of optical range. This is the rainfall measurement. Rainfall measurement कर सकते हैं. This is the rheostat, also known as variable resistance. This is the magnifying glass, and this is the sun apparatus. In this apparatus, level meter and spirometer also contained in this apparatus. This apparatus is used for young models of the wire and tensile strength of the wire. Thank you. With all the apparatus, very easily
students aware ki stay home, stay safe, and you already know COVID-19 is going on, so it is must they have to be careful. Now we come to our biology lab. Let's come.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Please, Mr. Shiksha.
Here, like this, by moving, we can set this. Then we can see very small things by this. Okay. Next, I am going to like this microscope there is, and here now I am going to explain this human ears. Now here it is the main structure of human ears, and the bones of the middle ears. Here it is the steps, it is the incus or the ventricle. Here spiral organs of the process of the sounds were through the external ears, right? And it is the model of our ears. Then it is the outer parts or it is the internal. Okay. The students washing hands. Okay. And here next, here a skeleton system is there. The skeleton main structure of the skeletons. Here it is the back view. Here whole the front view and it is the whole back view. There is now another things I am going to show is lens. By the lens, very small micro things we have. Whole nervous system is there. So the main structure of which nerve networks it is. And here it is the structure of the spiral cords. Here the structure of the nerves. And it is the main part of our human bodies. It is brains. Now we can say it is a 3D model of our brains. By this brains, whole body controls here. Next, now here this first is by thermometer we can measure our temperatures. But temperature we can see here. If we are holding, then our body temperature it is showing. By this red line we can see here the some measurement is there. Then we can see it is the increasing temperature continuously. Okay. Then next here we are model of our human eyes. Okay. Then we can see by this and by this we are easily understanding students also. Here next structure is our here next chart is here kidney, skins or respiratory organs. And of this it is the main diagram of autonomy of the urinary systems. Here the nephrons. Here is the male ladder and urines and is the female ladder. Okay, like we have, and here another 3D model of human kidney we can see. It is 3D model. Next here, heart of humans. From where whole body blood circulation is there. Then our heart. Then help of this easily we can understand what is our heart. Animal specimens here there. Just like this is the earthworm, jellyfish, labios, or physalias, cockroach, sperms, or snails, hydra, crab, or spheric females, or unu. Okay, and another here I am going to show some penal females is a prawn, is a octopus, and crabs, and silkworm. Here physalias, parameciums, liver, slugs, and sea anemones. Help of charts, some dummy models, or some specimens. These students easily learning help of this or charts or some microscope we are seeing or nails, many micro things possible to see. Thank you.
She is our Mrs. Stuti Tiwari ma'am. Now she will explain the whole maths lab. This is our maths lab, and all materials are registered in our maths lab register. So in our maths lab, many charts and many models are there, dummy models. So our first chart is triangle. In this chart, we have seen many properties of triangle, many triangles like that equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, acute angle, right angle, and the right angle property is जो angle होता है is 90 degree.
chart is you can see congruent triangles. With the help of congruency, we prove two triangles are congruent. With the help of SAS congruency, SS congruency, and ASA congruency. After that, this is the chart of number system. In this chart, we have this is the backbone of maths. In this chart, many numbers are there: natural number, whole number, integers. Natural number is started with 1 to infinitive, and whole number started with 0 to infinitive. Okay. Then integers contains all both numbers, natural numbers and whole numbers. Here one chart is there, profit and loss, the formulas of profit and loss. So with the help of this chart, students learn easily all formulas of profit and loss. Here the chart of some mathematical symbols. With the help of this, this is the base of maths. These all symbols are base of maths. Here in this chart we have seen many type of quadrilaters and properties of quadrilateral. And after that, pairs of angles. In this chart we have many pairs of angles like that: adjacent angles. These angles, two angles having a common vertex and one common arm, and the other two arms are on opposite side of the common arm. After that, linear pair. In the linear pair of adjacent angles, whose sum is 180 degree. Okay, so this is the chart of pair of angles. Here you can see the chart angles. Okay, this is all type of angles: acute angle, and the properties of acute angle is the angle 30 degree less than 90 degree. Okay, and after that, right angle, which is the main properties of this is the main angle of 90 degree, obtuse angle, straight angle, and so on. In this chart, we have many properties of circle like that: circumferences, chord, semicircle, arc, sector, segment, area, and concentric circle. Mathematics is algebra. This chart will help student to easily learn two formulas like that: a plus b square is equal to a square, b square plus 2ab, and so on. After that, some geometrical concepts are here like that: point, a dot having no length, width or depth, only fixed position is a point if represented by capital letters, dot, point, and so on. Of circle. In this chart, with the help of this chart, student learn properties of circle very easily. With the help of this chart, student learn easily product of two monomials, product of a monomial and binomials, like that. It is the main chart of graph chart. It is the base. There is two axes, x and y dash. With the help of this chart, we have some models are here like that, parts of fractions. So in this shape there is a hexagon. Okay. In this 3D shaped hexagon are many faces, edges, and vertices are here. And this is the cylinder. Okay. In this cylinder we have vertex. After that, prism. There is a prism, and prism have front face is triangle shape. In this prism, this is the cone and some shapes of circle. In these shapes, we can understand by radius and diameter of circle, and this all shows the parts of circle. With the help of this geoboard, student can learn easily concept of geometry. This is the shape of some numbers. We can add the cube and find some numbers. With the help of this because students can learn counting quickly. Okay, so this is the models are our math slave, and all our charts.
our chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab. Now, please come.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now, he is Mr. Gaurav sir. Now, he will explain the chemistry lab.
Welcome. Chemistry lab. I am Gaurav Singhal. I am explaining chemistry lab. This is a surgical glove, which is used for safety purpose because safety is important in chemistry lab. This is a wooden block which is used for performing different types of practical. This is a tripod which is used for heating. This is a split lamp. With the help of tripod, split lamp, with the help of this is a tripod for heating purpose. This is the split lamp which we use for heating. This is a different type of beakers, different size. This is a funnel. This is a filter paper. This is also used for separating two mixtures like sand and water. This is a different type of test tube. This is a test tube holder. This is a burette. This is a pipette scan. Because arrangement is very necessary in chemistry lab. So this is a pipette scan and different types of pipettes are here. This is a thermometer for temperature measurement. This is the cylindrical gauge for volume measurement of liquid. This is the Renault stand, and this is the separating funnel apparatus. Separating funnel apparatus is used for separating two immiscible liquids like oil and water. When oil and water mixture mix into this apparatus, and then after 30 minutes, oil can be separated and water can be separated. This is a watch glass for use for different types of salt. This is pipette stand. This is a test tube brush. Different types of papers like blue litmus paper, red litmus paper. Blue litmus paper is useful in identifying acid, base and salt. When some salt can be dropped into this paper and blue litmus converted into red, then this is a acid, because acid can blue litmus into red.
बस सर ठीक है.
The pH paper for identifying the acid, base and salt. This is a dropper. This is a spatula which is used for transfer salt from one place to another place. This is the spatula, solid salt from one place to another place. This is the stopper. This is the channel dish. This is the separating glass funnel. This is the glass door, which we use for stirring some liquids. This is the glass bottles. Conical flask, some small conical flask and some large conical flask. Here, different types of chemicals like acetone, benzene, sulfuric acid, different types of chloride are here, different types of nitrate are here, copper metal is here. Are here, different types of carbonate are here. This is a sink, a very important chemistry there, because Safety is very necessary.
Online classes are going on. See that our classes are going on. Just have a look.
भाव व विचारों का कहलाते हैं. ओके.
Now let's see our indoor games. So let's proceed to our sports room. Please come. He is our sports teacher, Mr. Dilip Chauhan. Now he will describe the sports room.
volleyball, badminton, cricket, and kho-kho, chess, and this is indoor games, carom. Indoor games, carom. Yes, student and and this is indoor games, chess. There are also one chess, and here is sport material. This is jumping rope. This is jumping rope and this is cricket bat, and there are also things and pads, gloves, pad, and this is pop. Very badminton. This is sport material. Badminton racket and the box and pad and gloves also here and pads. Badminton and there is pop and jumping rope. This is indoor game, chess. Yes, student.
And craft work we can show in all these display boards. Drinking water facilities where the student used to get a fresh and clean water to drink. Let's see this. Now you can see that this is the boys' toilet. We are having proper facilities over here for the students. Proper hygiene is maintained in this campus. Each and every toilet so that the students cannot be merged with each other. And we are properly taking care of this completely and regularly cleaning it. Toilet. You can see that each and every tap is working over here. Continuous water facility is there in order to clean their hands and take the proper hygienic facilities. Yes, please come. These are the toilets for girls. You can see that each and every toilet is completely clean. Regularly we used to sanitize it and we have to clean it regularly. A sweeper used to come regularly for that.